Good afternoon Philippines, good afternoon world. For today's video, nang laba ko og rug, kay hugaw na kayo. To all the kids out there, we should help our parents in doing household chores para malipay pud sila. Dili kay magsige lang dula drag silpon. La 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 la. Thank you very much for watching.